Hey, welcome to Food Wiz. This is yet another episode. I'm Lilian Majanja, your girl, and I'm your host. Today we are at a very interesting place. It's called Pentagon Lounge, yeah. It's here in Kawempe near the police station, and we're going to prepare for you a very good dish. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment before we do anything else. Yeah, plus you can comment Food Wiz to win yourself a free meal, as you can see. Okay, you're going to see my guests for today. Yeah, they just commented and won themselves a free meal. Yeah, so let's go in. For today's episode, we are going to prepare goat's meat, and it's going to be wet fried. I don't know, they called it wet fried, but I'm not sure about the term. But all I know is going to be fried with ingredients and very spicy, looking good and appetizing. Yeah, so let's get into the kitchen and see how it's made. We are here in the kitchen. Let's meet our lovely chef, and he tells us what we are going to prepare for today. Hello there, how are you?
And how are you?
I'm fine too. Yeah, so can you tell us your names?
I'm by the name is Kawempe Benson.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah, can you tell us what we are going to prepare today?
We are going to prepare dry fried goat's meat.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste it. You know, I trust Pentagon Lounge. Yeah, so let's begin preparing it. So I can see you are peeling up the carrots. Why do we include them in our sauce, in our goat's meat?
These carrots.
To make the sauce thick?
Yeah.
He's dicing up the onions, yeah, and he's wearing his mask. So guys, don't forget to wear your mask. I have mine, but because I'm presenting, I've put it in my pocket, but don't forget to wear the mask and sanitize, yeah. What comes next after chopping the ingredients?
So we are going to chop our meat into small pieces.
Okay,
Then we marinate it with Royco,
okay.
soya sauce, and mixed spices.
Okay, yeah.
After, we deep fry it in a deep fryer so that our meat can become soft.
Yeah, as you can see, he first boiled the meat before bringing it up to slice it. He has put the meat and the carrots in a deep frying net. in this deep frying net, yeah. So he's going to, let's see what he's going to do after this. You can see that he's deep frying it. This is the deep fryer. That's why I called the other thing the deep frying net. So can you tell me how long it takes while deep frying the meat?
It takes 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. That's fast. Yeah, so can you tell me how long we take while frying this over the pan?
It will take 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you add your vegetables, tomatoes, green pepper, and onions.
Okay. He has decided to add chips on the plate, and now he's adding the meat. Yes. Done preparing the plate, the dish, our meat. You can see the chips, everything looks appetizing. I can't wait to taste the meat. You can see the salads, the vegetable salads, and the chips. Yeah, so I can't wait to take this to the guests to taste and tell us what they think. Can you please tell me, can we have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? I don't know.
For lunch and dinner.
This is the best I can get. This is the best I've eaten. You should really subscribe to Foodways because this is so beautiful. It's wonderful. Everything is ready. And when you look at it, it's so soft. I don't want to stop eating. But please subscribe. You will enjoy. This is the best offer. Thank you so much. I would love to come back again.
Wow, this is really great. It's great. It's amazing. It's really great. It's amazing. I'm at Pentagon Lounge. This food is great. It's at affordable price. Don't forget to subscribe on Foodways Official. Subscribe, get videos, and don't forget to come back to Pentagon Lounge, Kawempe. Yeah, this is really great. The food is great. It's amazing. It's wow.
This meat is nice, has been prepared by Pentagon Lounge. Yeah? They have accommodation, they have a massage parlor, it's a restaurant, they have steam, and then very many things. So don't forget to come to this place, check it out, come and try their food. Plus the different services, they have accommodation, you can come with your parties and they organize for you and everything. Yeah. So I must sign out. Every good thing must come to an end. Bye, have a great day. This has been Foodways, but don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Have a great day.